Ugi zaboka.
You want
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are.
Comment nous y est, ça qu'a fait, ça réglé. Comment tout bagaille est, ça fait longtemps nous pas ouais, nous pas attendre, nous pas parler. So me filmer vidéo pour nous, just pas gain temps, tout parce que m'a travail. So actuellement là nous ka nous dans machine là, nous poil parti, nous poil faire week-end là dehors. M'di ba mene nous avec OK. So Christian la fait guys, ba montrer nous Christian. Ah, mini. Mais monsieur Christian, Noël. So yeah guys, Christian la fait guys et puis nous-mêmes nous poil bien loin nous poil Meriden, nous poil Delaware. So me dit comme ça. Ba mene nous avec nous poil ouais famille Christian so je vais présenter nos familles, ok? So, pas oublier abonner, partager, commenter, like et puis red brancher, ok? Ma filmer tout petit bagay pour nous. Red brancher. Bye. Say hi to my vlog.
How you doing?
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog. How this thing? I think this Indian guy raped me with this thing.
They rape you, or they gonna rape
I
you?
don't think it's working. He charged me $10 for that. Let's see. How you tied this? I'm set up to make it tight. I make it loose. Come on. Now it's gone.
So I'm going to bagala.
It's not bad. But how you open this thing?
I don't have no idea.
Pull it and you just put it in and
You pull it and you put it in. So say come on New Year.
come on New Year.
Saka fête.
Saka Fett.
Okay.
Sky, you want to say Saka
Sky
Fett?
say come on New Year. Saka fête. Saka glé.
You have to say Saka Fett a couple of times and touch your hair, Sky.
Why she have to say that?
Like
Why?
you.
Come on New Year. Saka fête. Saka glé. Alright guys, na pwet. Nou pal kape na Wendys. So na pwet ale, okay?
Two lanes.
Been all day.
Nou
Sky.
na Wendys.
Proceed to
Na
bridge.
fet drive through.
Sky, what do you want? You want a burger kit meal or you want chicken nuggets kit meal? Which one you like?
I want burger kiss meal.
Okay. Can you ask for food in Kreyol?
Yeah,
You're
let's
making a video. Let's see what they say.
Okay guys, mwa lese mande manje en kreyol. Mba kon si nou kawem. So let's try this. How can I say it in Creole?
I don't know. You asked for kid meal. That's-
Oh, okay. Yon manje timoun. Ou ka bam yon manje timoun, s'il vous plaît? Esko gen zaboka? We're gonna try it.
I have a burger?
I will zaboka. I will tell you what to say and you say it.
I can't. I'm not good.
Oh no.
You come and say it.
Oh no.
We're going to end this scenario?
Hi, ou ka bam yon manje timoun, s'il vous plaît?
I'm sorry?
Yon manje timoun.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Ou gen zaboka?
You want the double stack?
Esko gen zaboka?
You speak Creole or no?
You want the grilled chicken?
I said, you guys speak Creole, anybody over there?
So then the grilled chicken sandwich, we have that as a number 5.
No, it's okay. Let me get a cheeseburger kid meal. No pickles or onions.
What can I drink?
Let me get an apple. Whatever apple you have.
We have juice box, milk, and chocolate milk.
Hey, dame el número 6, por favor.
Mediano Coca-Cola.
No Coca-Cola, dame un agua.
Para los nuggets del Kids Meal.
No,
¿Quieres alguna salsa?
quiero una hamburguesa de kid meal.
Number 10.
Ay. ¿Quieres con queso o sin queso?
Con queso, pero sin lechuga, sin tomate. Digo,
Solamente viene con ketchup.
Ok, ponle queso, por favor.
Ok, está bien.
Yeah.
Para tomar me dijiste.
Sí, un jugo de lo que tenga, no importa.
Ok, ¿algo más?
¿Me das el número 6 que te dije con un agua?
¿Otro más?
No, solo uno. Dame el número 10 también.
And,
El número 10 lo quieres con qué soda.
Not soda.
Otra botella de agua.
Con una limonada.
Yeah.
¿La quieres de la fresca?
Sí.
¿Y
Oui,
qué más?
limonade fraise, s'il vous plaît.
Esa
Sí.
de la fresca.
Y me das unos 10 nuggets, por favor.
¿Y alguna salsa?
Barbecue.
¿Y qué más?
No, es todo ya.
Merci en pile.
Ok, 29.25, gracias.
Merci en pile.
She's Spanish, so that's why when you're speaking, they have a
At the
Creole
light,
speaking.
turn right onto Connecticut Avenue.
Oh, Como yeah, that's the girl. We're trying to speak in Creole over there. We thought you was there. She here.
Come on. That's a big ass drink.
Thank you.
I want the food.
Here's
coming,
Sky.
Sky. She didn't answer the girl, the Creole girl.
This is not a food.
They have a lot of language, English,
Mom,
Creole,
this is
Spanish.
not a food.
Where you see it?
Huh?
Where you see the
I
language?
see.
I know, Sky. Just wait, baby.
What do you want, Sky?
This is not a food.
Your food is gonna take a while, Sky.
She's like, you want the Big Mac chicken? What did she say?
Yeah, I didn't even get what she's trying to say. Now she's like, oh my god, these guys are not.
Can you ask for another straw? Because this is paper. It's gonna last me maybe 5 minutes. That car gonna be a mess. Why you ask for water when I bring water?
I don't want soda.
Why you can just say you don't want anything? Because they're gonna make you pay for the water.
They did already.
She's looking at me like, is she crazy?
Hey, let me get another straw, please. A straw. Okay, gracias, papi.
Which one is Sky food?
Don't take that camera on there.
It's fine. That's a vlog.
That's just gonna fail.
Oh yeah. I got it.
God, they don't work the Creole thing and
That's the for us. I'm looking for Sky food.
Sky, the Creole stuff didn't work over there, but the Spanish did.
That's for Sky. Yes, Sky. You
Sky.
going in the bag?
Sky, you like Spanish or no? ¿Cómo se dice Wendy's in Spanish, Sky?
Turn
Wendy's.
right onto Connecticut Avenue.
Wait. ¿Cómo se dice Wendy's in Spanish, Sky? How you say Wendy's in Spanish?
Wendy's? The same
At
way?
the light, turn right onto Connecticut Avenue.
So, personal nan bak. Timoun, mwen sot travay, mba manje, pa kritike. Habituellement mba reme fast food. But, listen, your girl is hungry. See? Sa se bacon. Mga gou. Mga fon mouve chwa.
How about the burger?
Yummy.
Yummy,
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mmm. 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 What is your papi? Mmm. Mba ka manje sa Christian pa la parce que elle n'a mangé nous séparer. Li pou donne pas même pour donne pas là et comme ça nous manger. C'est comme ça nous manger. So mba boire soda mba limonade. Nous une ba boire soda. Le gogo c'est gogo c'est.
Soda.
No, Sky, soda is not good for you, baby. You have juice. So I get chicken, lettuce, bacon, avec fromage, avec mayonnaise. But you pas mettre tomate bagay sa yo. Ben mon son. Elle est bak nan toujours. Noël, est-ce que nous kawat? Par contre si nous kawat semaine, mais c'est monter nos Christian. Anyway. Oh ya Noël là. Anthony. Si mba Anthony m'a mangé tout baga là. Nan pa lal gen chicken nuggets. You want chicken nuggets, Kai?
Yeah.
Here. Comment nous aimons pour tout ça nous pas trop non. Pas avec nous. Ça moi qui passé à Haïti. C'est bon Dieu seulement qui a délivré Haïti. Bon Dieu seulement qui a délivré Haïti. Bagay dit timoun. Ou dans pays étranger, pour même qui dans pays étranger pour prévoir comme Haïti, et puis pour mon qui Haïti a souffrir. Li vraiment fait mal parce que souvent comme blanc, ou penser mon nan pour le prendre et puis un petit moment de yo lage mon na terre pour petit comme la prendre. Ou bien un petit moment de yo kidnapper mon nan pour petit comme la prendre. Qui pas faire sens du tout. Parce que des fois mon nan ou pas grand peu le corps, ben mon $20 mon nan re li tout comme ça. Oh mon grand goui et puis on $20 gen nan mon ve ouvrir pour mon qui haïtien et puis mon nan pour nan banque et puis pour $20 yo tirer. Ça a dû hein, ça a dû en pile.
I want chicken nuggets.
You want more chicken nuggets? Même pas de chicken nuggets. Sorry, ma pas la bouche m'a plus manger. Here. My husband is coming. Marie m'a venu. It's so handsome. He's vraiment en forme. Taste it. It's good.
I need salmon.
Here, taste
Now
it.
where
It's
we
good.
going?
Huh?
Now where we going?
Leave chicken nuggets for Sky because she like it.
Non, bah on prend. On prend.
It's not for you. It's for me.
Non, c'est ça.
Here, that's yours.
Ouais.
You're the one that ate it. You enjoy slow.
Like this.
Hot.
Oh, look.
Spicy.
Now where we going again?
We're going to Salvin house, Sky.
Spicy and hot.
Votre Sky plein oublié côté pour aller. Les mêmes de côté. Quand il à côté nous pour aller là.
In 1 mile, turn left to merge onto I-95 south toward New York City.
Oh.
You want mine?
Try it.
Here. You can finish this.
Finish mine.
No, I'm not gonna finish yours. Whew. Spicy. Okay. Ouch. That's too spicy. Ah. Here.
I didn't know it was spicy. I didn't know why it was spicy.
I don't want yours. It's too bad spicy. Finish that.
You need to finish it.
You don't want it? Sky, you eat your burger?
I didn't want to pick those ketchup. It didn't hurt my lip.
Oh. So what you gonna eat?
I didn't eat some.
You want the nuggets?
Mommy, look, I just.
You want more nuggets, Sky?
Yeah.
Okay. She can eat her burger. You eat the burger her lips.
Oh, how two?
Yeah, I give you 2.
Listen, guys. No way. I see bananas.
Where? I can see them.
I see two.
Focus camera.
At the next light,
Côté nous pour aller à, il est presque 5 heures de temps conduit. De Connecticut à Meriden. Les 4 heures de temps something, but c'est 5 heures de temps parce que nous avons timoun. Sky a campé pour demander pipi bagay ça yo. N'a fait vidéo à nan fait noir. Sorry.
Let your mommy drive.
Okay guys, ma campé vlog là. N'a poué l'aime rive Meriden, okay?
Tell her to say
Bye.